today is harvest day.
Oh my gosh. It's amazing once you start looking.
Okra delivery.
We're having our last harvest, and we've had 4 this year. We've had 1 a month, and that's when everybody comes out and gleans the food from our garden, and then we donate it to Harvest Share, and they make sure it gets to people in need.
Harvest Party started in about 2017, 2018, when myself and some of the volunteer liaisons were seeing a lot of food waste in the gardens. And so we created a clause in our conditions of use that allowed for volunteer liaisons to initiate garden-wide harvest parties towards the end of the season when things are kind of slowing down.
Apparently there will be some frost coming tomorrow night maybe, so I'm a bit desperate to give what I can.
Most gardeners do donate. It is by a case-by-case basis because we do have gardeners in our program that grow for subsistence, which is to feed their families, but we have some gardeners that have an extra crop or an extra herb that they can donate to this effort.
So this is Malabar spinach. I think it's an African plant, and it's extremely hardy. If you plant it once, you'll have it forever. It's not good raw. It has a little bit of a gluiness to it, so it isn't great to eat raw, but boy, it's great for soups and stews. It thickens them and gives them a nice, lovely bit of green nutrient.
With the Montgomery Park's community gardens, we help with harvesting of produce during harvest parties, or actually weekly garden collections, depending on the individual garden. And we find food assistance providers in the county that will take that fresh produce. And our goal is ultimately to have less than 24 hours between the time that the food is harvested and the time that it's redistributed to those in need. And we like to put give priority to those providers who offer a choice pantry style food distribution, and that model allows people to select what they want. They can pick okra, they can pick herbs and things that normally wouldn't be put in with a sort of a food box from a larger food assistance provider.
Our program has 5 major priorities, and this falls underneath our reducing food waste and food recovery priority. So it really helps us to reach certain goals in terms of how we reduce food waste within our program, which obviously cuts down on other issues in the garden.
So what's our total, Emma?
75 pounds.
Wow, 75 pounds of herbs, small peppers, greens is a tremendous amount of food. So another great day, great harvest at Fenton Street Community Garden.
Right.